car not starting after sitting for years. The first thing you want to check is battery voltage. You want to make sure you have sufficient battery voltage to start the vehicle. You can always first turn on your headlights and check the headlight brightness, or you could also use a voltmeter like the one I have back here and check for power. If battery voltage is low, you can first try to trickle charge it and get the battery up to its current state where it's working properly. And if that doesn't work, maybe you want to check the battery connection over here. And the connection is extremely corroded. You can use a wire brush and try to clean it up. The next common problem, if your vehicle's still not starting, most likely you're gonna have a fuel delivery issue, or the gas itself can be extremely old. Gas is normally good for about 3 months. And if you do not use fuel stabilizer, there's a good chance that even after 6 months, the gas may go bad. If the gas is bad, most likely you're gonna have to drain the gas from the fuel tank. And if that doesn't work for some reason, you're most likely gonna have a fuel pump that's probably rusted and the electric motor is probably seized. There are a few options before replacing the fuel pump. First, you can try to bang on the fuel tank with a rubber mallet, and maybe that help free up the fuel pump electric motor and get it spinning again. Or option number 2, you got no choice but to go ahead and replace that fuel pump. And if that doesn't work for some reason, maybe you have an electrical problem. For example, let's just say a vehicle been sitting for a long time. What's just gonna happen is that you're gonna have mouse and rats gonna go inside the engine bay and create a little nest there and cause all sort of havoc to your electrical system. So what these rodents really like to do is create a little nest, usually around the hottest spot, or these little cavity over here. And these rodents like to build a little nest right here. As they're building a little nest right here, for some reason they like to chew up these wires right here on the fuel injectors. They also like to chew up the wires on the connection of the ignition coil. They like to chew on these little rubbers right here. They basically like to chew up on everything. They also like to chew up on spark plug wires and so on. So you want to take a good look at it. Make sure you don't have any rat droppings in here, because if you do, there's a good chance that you may have some sort of electrical issue somewhere. And also, they could just randomly chew up on the crankshaft sensor as well. So make sure you pay attention to every single spot that there's a possibility that the rats might start chewing on these wires. Those are the most common reason why your car is not starting after a few years. As always, thank you for watching. Subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.